What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Too Slow Kurt. And as you can see, man, today is the day. It has finally come down to the day to where we are finally, after a year and a half, we're getting the back to Denton, Texas, man. I have not worked on this car or touched this car in a year and a half. Not the vet, of course, but the blacked out, the murdered out, the beast on the streets, man. It's coming back to Denton, Texas, man. So I'm just letting you guys know now the project is coming. I don't know if I want to throw an LS7 engine in it or what, but let me give you guys a cold start of this real quick, man. Yes, sir. So, like I said, this is my 2015 C7 Z51 Corvette right here. This is my beast, man. I've done a lot of work to this car. A lot more to come, but now that the is coming back, man, that is going to be my project car. It started off as my project car, but this is my daily right now, so I want to keep my daily looking nice, man, even though I'm going to do a lot more to it. But the is going to be just a beast, man. I'm talking about that is going to be the car that we're going to start taking to the track. We're going to track the car out, all that stuff. So just be ready for it, man. Just be ready, man. Man, this Dallas traffic is so bad right now, bro. The laser going crazy. This Dallas traffic is so bad, guys. Like, it said that we were 45 minutes away. Well, I'm 45 minutes away from Dallas, right? And it said we were an hour and 20 out from the vehicle, bro. Like, this is crazy. The tow truck guy is currently waiting on us at the right now. But this traffic is butt cheeks, bro. This guy ain't even got his lights on. Look, guys. Can y'all see him? Y'all see that car right there? Bro has no lights on. Bro is wildin'. Look at this dude. Bro got no lights on. And he on his phone with his dumb ass. I wouldn't let him know, but I got these antlers on my car, bro. I ain't even gonna let my windows down. Your lights on. Alright, guys. So we are at the Camaro, man. The hell? Oh. We are at the Camaro, man. Let me turn the flash on for you boys. So we are at the Camaro right now, and as you can see, she is dusty, man. She still look good though. She blacked out, murdered out, man. She gonna need some work, cause she been sitting forever, and the paint is just off. Like, the paint is looking rough, but she been sitting for a while, and let's go ahead and get her loaded up, man. Oh shit, I gotta open up the trunk. So the car is hella dirty, guys. As you can see, we gotta steer it onto the tow truck, and should be simple, should be easy. Let's get it done. All right, man. And as you can see, man, the day is actually here. It is finally here, man. The tow truck is taking her to Denton, man. It's been a while. It's been a while, man. She got some battle wounds, boys. But hey, now that we got the vet. Now that we got the vet, we have a daily car, man. So we can actually work on this car, bro. We can actually finally do stuff with this car, take the engine apart, everything. And we can run to the auto parts stores and stuff. Like, boys, we can actually do stuff now, bro. I know she's crying for joy, man. I know she's crying for joy, man. It's been a while. The bumper coming off. We didn't fuck the bumper up, trying to push it. There we go. Damn, boys. Just take a look at her, boys. It's the first time in a long time that you guys have seen her. As far as the YouTube channel, nobody has seen this car on YouTube. YouTube has not seen this car at all, period. I was really well known on Instagram for this car, you know, at that time especially. But man, time flies, man, time flies. Just look at her. She's been needing my help. She's been sitting for a year and a half. The paint is all ruined on the car. It needs to wash, so we're gonna see what it looks like when I actually wash it, clean it and stuff like that. And like, bro, guys, look at this. It's been down for so long that the red words are pink now, bro. The red words are pink now. Man, she gonna look good though whenever we wash her. She gonna look good.
If anything, because where the cable's at, it'll help lift it up and keep it from getting caught on the bed.
All right.
It's on a much more durable spot right there. That's why I went ahead and hooked the strap up there instead of there's a pro arm that's a little bit lower. It didn't look as strong.
I'm glad we got it on there though. I didn't even know the car like started at all. And like, well, as far as turning on.
Well, it's been a bit of trouble.
I had rebuilt the whole engine and then it went down and that's what they did. I just didn't have money at the time to actually start working on it.
They just let you do it for a year.
Yeah, get the thumbnail. Get the thumbnail. See that? See like over here? Alright guys, so the Mero is now on the truck. As you can see, she's going back home, man. She is going back home. I cannot believe it, man. It's like I never actually thought this day was gonna come. I never thought I would see the day where the Mero goes back to Denton. But she's going, man. She's going. There you go. She's going back to Denton, man. Sheesh. As you can see, she's going back home, man. Going back to Denton, man. Peace. All right, boys. So the day is finally here, where the marrow is back at the house, man. See the vet sitting right there, nice and pretty, man. Come on, man. Nice and pretty, nice and pretty. Yes, sir. Man, I'm just sitting here thinking, like, bro, this shit is so crazy. Like, I got the marrow next to the vet now, bro. This shit is insane. Look at that red, and then look at this red. That shit is pink, bro, from how long? Look at the paint on it, bro. For how long it's been sitting. Bro, we're gonna watch this bad boy. We're gonna turn this bitch into a race car, bro. God damn, dog. Damn, bro, I'm young as fuck and I'm really doing this shit, man. That shit is crazy. Leaves all inside, bro. Dirty as fuck, man. This shit look like I just got this hoe from the junkyard, bro. Damn. Hey, man. Shit. Better days coming, man. We're gonna wash it up tomorrow. We're gonna make it look real nice and pretty. Damn, bro, this shit like unbelievable. Oh, God. Fuck, man. It's just real dirty. You know? You gonna see how black it is whenever I wash it. Crazy, bro. Damn, bro. This shit is so crazy to me, bro. Like, I'm hype as fuck right now, bro. What the fuck, bro? Like, bro, when you come from nothing, bro, and you got two badass cars in front of the crib, bro, this shit is crazy. Damn, dog. This shit take time, man. This shit take time like a motherfucker. Damn, bro. Who'd have thought? The young black nigga from the hood got two whips in front of the crib like this, bro. Keep in mind, the bumper look like that right now. I got all the shit for the bumper. Like, we're gonna put all that shit back together tomorrow, expeditiously. I'm gonna be working on this motherfucker all day tomorrow. Like, damn, dog. Fuck. Damn, bro. Like, I like real life cannot get over this shit right now, bro. Damn, this is like such a big car, bro. Compared to the vet, this is such a big car. Like, I got back seats in this car, bro. I can ride around with, bro. Damn, bro. This shit is... They stole two of the rims that are supposed to be on here. So I put the SS rims back on here. But these wheels back over here, only have two of these now. So I gotta buy two more now. But yeah. The marrow's back, man. That business, man. Bruh, I got the car on right now. Y'all can see the lights. Look at my roommate.
This car is a motherfucker.
I got the motherfucking Chacon in this bitch. Oh, I know this thing. Hey, what up, man? Hey, these niggas thought they was safe, man. The boy ain't trying to race, man. Look at him. He probably like, bro, what this nigga want? I was like, so guys, I got the marrow on, like I said. It's just so dirty, so damaged, man. I tried starting it and it sounded like shit was about to blow up. So, good news, the car wants to start, wants to crank over. But we just gotta wait and see what exactly is next for the marrow, man. We're gonna wait till the daytime. When the daytime comes up, then we go from there. See you boys in the daytime. All right, boys, and just like that, man, we got both of the whips outside, man. It is daytime, but bro, Chevy on Chevy, man. This shit crazy, man. This shit is crazy, man. Like, I really can't get over this shit, bro. But it's raining today, so you know we might still work on it a little bit. We might still check it out, you know. Like I said, I got the grill and everything inside the car. The window is down. I don't know exactly why. I don't remember why the window is down, but when I try to let the window up through, you know, the buttons inside the car, it didn't go up. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw a tarp over it, check the weather and stuff, and see what time it's gonna start raining, and then go from there. But man, we got them right here, bro. Man, this is like a dream come true, man. But yeah, man, if y'all made it this far in the video, man, like, subscribe, stay tuned, bro, because I got bangers coming all the time. You boys know it, bro. So yeah, let me go ahead and get you boys some cinematic videos, and this shit gonna be over, man. Alright, look, man. Like I said, if you made it this far in the video, like, subscribe, stay tuned, man. Better days coming. You can see the mirror right there, man. Like, it's actually back, bro. It's actually back. You know, like I said, stay down till you come up, man. Dreams do come true. But yeah, man. Like, subscribe, man. Stay tuned for the build, man. Other than that, it's your boy Too Slow Kurt, and I'm out.